Hello dear students, in this lesson I'm gonna talking about multiplying and dividing rational numbers. In the first part of this lesson we have multiplying fraction and mixed numbers. How can we multiply fraction and mixed numbers? Example number 1, we have 6 multiplied by 2 out of 3. 6 is whole number and 2 out of 3 is fraction. When we have whole number and we have to multiply by fraction, we have to change the whole number to fraction by adding 1 as a denominator. So we have to write 1 for 6. So we have two fractions. Now we have to multiply the numerator by numerator and the denominator by the denominator. Like 6 times 2 equal to 12 and 1 times 3 equal to 3. Example number 2, we have two fractions, 3 out of 5 times negative 1 out of 4. First, we have to multiply the signs. Minus times plus equal to minus, and then we have to multiply the fractions. 3 times 1 equal to 3 and 5 times 4 equal to 20. Example number 3, we have negative 5 out of 12 minus negative 12 out of 7. When we have numbers or fraction and a bracket, if we don't have any sign between the fraction and bracket, it means in this here we have multiply. So first we have to multiply the signs. Minus times minus equal to plus, and then the fractions. 5 times 12 equal to 60 and 12 times 7 equal to 84. Example number 4, we have whole number and mixed number. First, we have to change the mixed number into fraction and then multiply. We have 3 and 1 out of 5. For changing this mixed number to fraction, you have to multiply the whole number 3 by the denominator and then plus the numerator, and the denominator stay the same. 3 times 5 equal to 15. 15 plus 1 equal to 16 out of 5. Now the mixed number is 16 out of 5 multiplied by minus 2. Minus 2 multiplied by 16 out of 5. We have to change this whole number to fraction by adding 1 as a denominator, and then first we have to multiply the signs. Minus times plus equal to minus. 2 times 16 equal to 32 and 1 times 5 equal to 5. So the product is negative 32 out of 5. Example number 5, we have a whole number and mixed number. First, we have to change the mixed number into fraction. 1 times 3 equal to 3. 3 plus 2 equal to 5 out of 3. So we have minus 7 multiplied by 5 out of 3. Now we have to change the whole number into fraction by adding 1 as a denominator and then multiply. Minus times plus equal to minus. 7 times 5 equal to 35. 1 times 3 equal to 3. So the product is negative 35 out of 3. Example number 6, we have mixed number and fraction. First, you have to change the mixed number into fraction. 2 times 7 equal to 7. 7 plus 1 equal to 8 out of 7 multiplied by the whole number is 2 times 7 equal to 14. 14 plus 1 equal to 15 out of 7. This 8 should be 15. So the mixed number is 15 out of 7 times 7 out of 10. 7 times 10 equal to 70, and 7 times 15, 7 times 5 equal to 35, 7 times 1 equal to 7 plus 3 equal to 10. So 7 times 15 equal to 105. The product is 105 out of 70. Example number 7, we have negative 33 out of 4 multiplied by 8 out of 3. First, we have to multiply the signs. Minus times plus equal to minus, and then 33 times 8. 8 times 3 equal to 24. 8 times 3 equal to 24 plus 2, 26. So 8 times 33 equal to 264. And 3 times 4 equal to 12. In the second part of this lesson, we have multiplying decimal. How to multiply two decimal numbers, or a whole number and a decimal numbers. Example number 1, we have negative 5.2 multiplied by negative 5. First, we can multiply the signs. Plus minus times minus equal to plus, and then we have to multiply the numbers. 5.2 multiply by 5. 5 times 2 equal to 10. We have to regroup in. 5 times 5 equal to 25 plus 1 equal to 26. And then we have to write the decimal point in the product. In the first number, we have one number after this point, so we have to skip one number from right to left and then write the decimal point. So we have to write the decimal point here. The product is positive 26. Example number 2, we have 0 and 700th multiplied by 4.6, or 4 and 6/10. First, we can multiply the signs. Minus times plus equal to minus, and then you have to multiply the numbers. 4.6 multiplied by 0 and 000. 6 times 7 equal to 42. 6 times 0 equal to 0. 0 plus 4 equal to 4. And then we have 6 times 0 equal to 0. Before we multiply 4, we have to write 0 under 2. 4 times 7 equal to 28. And 4 times 0 equal to 0. 0 plus 2 equal to 2. And 4 times 0 equal to 0. 2 plus 0 equal to 2. 4 plus 8 equal to 12. We have to regroup in. 1 plus 0 equal to 0. 0 plus 2. 1 plus 0 equal to 1. 1 plus 2 equal to 3. And then we can write 0. In the last step, you have to write the decimal point in the product. In the first number, we have two numbers after this point. In the second number, we have one number after this point. So we we have three numbers. After the decimal point, we have to skip three numbers from right to left and then write the decimal point in the product. 1, 2, 3. Example number 3, we have 0.75 multiplied by 5 and 5/10. First step, we have to multiply the signs minus times plus equal to minus, and then the numbers 0.75 multiplied by 5.5. 5 times 5 equal to 25. 5 times 7 equal to 35. Plus 2 equal to 37. We can skip to multiply 5 by 0. And then it's there to multiply 5 or the second 5 by the numbers. Before we multiply 5, you have to write 0 under 5. And then 5 times 5 equal to 25. 5 times 7 equal to 35. Plus 2 equal to 37. 5 plus 0 equal to 5. 7 plus 5 equal to 12. 1 plus 3 equal to 4. 4 plus 7 equal to 11. 1 plus 3 equal to 4. Now you have to write the decimal point in the product. In the first number, we have two numbers after this point. In the second number, you have one number after this point. So you have to skip three numbers from right to left and then write the decimal point. 1, 2, 3. So the product is 4,125,000. Example number 4, we have 0 and 800 multiplied by -6 and 2/10. First, we can multiply the signs minus times plus equal to minus, and then the number 0.08 multiplied by 6.2. 2 times 8 equal to 16. 2 times 0 equal to 0. 0 plus 1 equal to 1. And then we can skip 2 times 0. It's 0 to 6 multiplied by the number. Before we multiply 6, we have to write 0. 6 times 8 equal to 48. And then 6 times 0 equal to 0. 0 plus 4 equal to 4. And then we can add these two numbers. 6 plus 0 equal to 6. 1 plus 8 equal to 9. And we have 4. Now we have to write the decimal point in the product. In the first number, we have two numbers after this point. In the second number, we have one number. After this point, we have to skip three numbers. 1, 2, 3, and then write the decimal point. And then we have to add 0. So the product is 0 and 496,000. Negative 0 and 496,000. In the third part of this lesson, we have dividing fractions and mixed number. How to divide two fractions or two mixed numbers. Example number 1, we have 7 out of 15 divided by 4 out of 5. In division or in divide, we have to write the first fraction the same without changing, and then we have to change the operation or the sign divide to multiply, and then we have to write the reciprocal of 4 out of 5. The reciprocal of 4 out of 5 is 5 out of 4. And then we have to multiply. numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. 7 times 5 equal to 35, and 4 times 15 or 15 times 4 equal to 60. Example number 2, we have mixed number 5 and 1 out of 3 divided by -7. First, we have to change the mixed number into fraction. 5 times 3 equal to 15. 15 plus 1 equal to 16 out of 3 divided by minus or -7. Like multiplication, we can divide or we can multiply the signs first. Plus times minus equal to minus, and then the quotient will be negative. And then we have to divide this to fraction and whole number. We have to write 16 out of 3 divided by, we have to change this whole number to fraction, 7 out of 1. Now we have to write the first fraction without change, and change or convert the multiplication, the division to multiply or multiplication. And then we have to write the reciprocal of 7 out of 1. The reciprocal of 7 out of 1 is 1 out of 7. And then 16 times 1 equal to 16. 3 times 7 equal to 21. So the quotient is 17 out of 21. Example number 3, we have 8 and 3 out of 8 divided by 1 and 1 out of 6. First, we have to change the mixed numbers into fraction. 8 times 8 equal to 64. 64 plus 3 equal to 67 out of 8 divided by the second mixed number. 1 times 6 equal to 6. 6 plus 1 equal to 7 out of 6. Now in divide you have to write the first fraction without change, and then change the division into multiply or into multiplication, and then you have to write the reciprocal of 7 out of 6 is 6 out of 7. Now you have to multiply. 8 times 7 equal to 56, and then 67 multiplied by 6. 6 times 7 equal to 42. 6 times 6 equal to 36 plus 4 equal to 40. So 6 times 67 equal to 402. So the quotient for this two mixed number is 402 out of 56. Example number 4, we have -5 divided by 25 out of 12. First, we have to change this whole number into fraction by adding 1 as a denominator. -5 out of 1 divided by 25 out of 12. So you have to write the first fraction without change, 5 out of 1, and change the division to multiply, and then you have to write the reciprocal of 25 out of 12 is 12 out of 25. Now we can multiply. 5 times 12 equal to 60, and 1 times 25 equal to 25, and then minus times plus equal to minus, so equal to -60 out of 25. The last part of this lesson, we have dividing decimals. How can we divide two decimal numbers? Example number 1, we have 7.48 divided by 0.4. We have to use long division to divide these two numbers. 7.48 divided by 0.4. Because of the divisor is decimal, this number or this divisor decimal, we have to change by multiply. And because of after this decimal point we have one number, we have to multiply the divisor and the dividend by 10. So we have to multiply these two decimal numbers by 10, 0.4 and 7.48. Multiply by 10 and multiply by 10. When we multiply a decimal number by 10 or 100 or 1000, it means power of 10. Only the decimal point change its place. This decimal point move to the right side. Because we have 10, so this decimal point move one steps to the right side. So the decimal point we have to write here. So 0.4 multiplied by 10 equal to only 4. And then when we multiply this decimal point by 10, this decimal point move one place to the right. So the product is 74.8. Now the division is 74.8 divided by 4. Now we can divide these two numbers. 7 divided by 4 equal to 1. 1 times 4 equal to 4. 7 minus 4 equal to 3. You have to bring down 4. Now we have 34. 34 divided by 4 equal to 8. 8 times 4 equal to 32. 4 minus 2 equal to 2. 3 minus 3 equal to 0. And then we have to write the decimal point in the quotient and bring down last number 8. Now we have 28. 28 divided by 4 equal to 7. 7 times 4 equal to 28. 8 minus 8 equal to 0 and 2 minus 2 equal to 0. So the quotient is 18.7, and this division is terminate division because it's not repeating. And the remainder is 0. So when we get 0 as a remainder, so it means this decimal division is terminate division. Example number 2, we have 9 and 36 divided by 0 and 0.3. First, we have 9 and 36 divided by 0.3 hundredth. We have to look at the divisor. This divisor is decimal number, so we have to multiply by 10. Multiply by power of 10. After this point, we have two numbers, so we have to multiply the divisor and the dividend by 100. So 0.03 multiplied by 100 and 9.36 multiplied by 100. When we multiply this decimal number by 100, this decimal point move to the right side, because we have two numbers or two zeros after one, so this decimal point move 2 steps to the right. 1, 2, equal to 3, and this decimal point move 2 steps to the right. 1, 2, equal to 936. Now we can divide 936 become 9 and 36 become 936, and the divisor 0 and 3/10 become only 3. Now we can divide 9 divided by 3 equal to 3, 3 times 3 equal to 9, 9 minus 9 equal to 0, bring down 3. 3 divided by 3 equal to 1, 1 times 3 equal to 3, and 3 minus 3 equal to 0, bring down 6. 6 divided by 3 equal to 2, 2 times 3 equal to 6, 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. So the quotient is 312, and then this decimal number is positive. It means plus times minus equal to minus. The quotient is negative 312. Example number 3, we have these two decimal numbers 5 and 49 divided by 0.3 thousand. So we have 5 and 49 hundredth divided by 0.3 thousandth. First we have to multiply these two decimal number, because if we have 1, 2, 3 numbers after this point, we have to multiply both numbers by 1000. 0.3 and 5.49 multiplied by 1000. When we multiply this decimal number by 1000, this decimal point move 3 steps to the right side. 1, 2, 3. So equal to 3, and this decimal point move 3 steps to the right. 1, 2, 3, equal to 5,490. And then we can divide 5 and 49 become 5,490, and this decimal number becomes 3. 5 divided by 3 equal to 1, 1 times 3 equal to 3, 5 minus 3 equal to 2, and bring down 4, we have 24. 24 divided by 3 equal to 8, 8 times 3 equal to 24, 4 minus 4 equal to 0, and 2 minus 2 equal to 0, bring down 9. 9 divided by 3 equal to 3, 3 times 3 equal to 9, 9 minus 9 equal to 0, we have to bring down 0. 0 divided by 3, we can't, or we don't have any 3's in 0, we have to write 0 in the quotient, and we can multiply or skip it. If we multiply, 0 multiplied by 3 equal to 0, and 0 minus 0 equal to 0. So the quotient is 1830. The last example, we have 12.24 divided by 0.9. First, we have to multiply these two decimal numbers to change into whole number or to change the divisor into whole number. So 0.9 is the divisor and 12.24 is the dividend. We have to multiply. Because of after this point we have one number, so you have to multiply both number by 10. This decimal point move one step to the right equal to 9, and this decimal point move one step to the right equal to 122.4. Now we can divide this 0.9 become 9, and 12.24 become 122.4. Now we can divide 12 divided by 9 equal to 1. 1 times 9 equal to 9, and 12 minus 9 equal to 3, and bring down 2. Now we have 32 divided by 9 equal to 3. 3 times 9 equal to 27. This 2 become 12 and 3 become 2. 12 minus 7 equal to 5 and 2 minus 2 equal to 0. We have to write the decimal point in the quotient and bring down 4. We have 54. 54 divided by 9 equal to 6. 6 times 9 equal to 54. 4 minus 4 equal to 0, and 5 minus 5 equal to 0. So this division is a terminate division because the remainder is 0.